Alright, so I got a pretty common problem. Turn my quad on, turn my lights on, and I've only got one light, and that's in high beam and low beam. So what we're going to be doing is replacing these headlight bulbs today. So first thing I got to do is remove these plastics. You can remove the headlight bezel, but it's just as easy to remove the plastics for me because I don't have a whole bunch of things hooked up correctly. So I'm just going to be removing my 4 bolts, 2 on this side, 2 on this side, which I already did, and disconnecting my wiring harness right up in here, and then I can just slide this whole thing off. Then I'm going to show you how to replace the bulbs once I have this whole thing removed. Alright, I have my plastics off and flipped upside down. And there's these little rubber covers that go over the back side of the lights. And then you've got 2 Phillips head screws right here that you have to remove to release the bulb socket. That's what we're going to do now. Just removing these 4 little Allen keys, Phillips heads. Alright, with the screws removed, the housings just pop out in place. And you kind of need 2 hands to do this, because you need to separate this upper part from the lower part, and then that will allow the bulb to come out. But you see how it has to slide on that slot and slide down here. So let me try to do it. I can't really do it with one hand. Let me do it with 2 hands. Alright, with just a little pressure and a twist, it comes right out. The bulb is released like this. And there we go. Man, those must have been in there for a long time if they have grooves in them worn like that. Wow. Alright, now we're just going to throw some new bulbs in. Alright, we got our sweet LEDs in there. They're much bigger than the halogens, but hopefully they'll fit. And of course replacing the other side also. Alright, we've got all 4 of our Phillips head screws back in, so the light housings are tightened back down. We just got to put our rubber caps back on, slide them into place, and then I'm just going to throw these plastics back on, plug my wires all back in, and make sure they work. Alright, so my plastics are back on. I've got all my wires hooked back up. Let's turn the key on. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. High beams, low beams. High beams, low beams, and I threw this little guy on there too. So now I have low beams with that on and high beams without that on. Yeah. Thanks for watching.